Have you ever wondered how easy it can be to make $10,000? Imagine, just for a moment, that it's not as difficult as you might think. What if the secret lies not in the amount of work you do, but in the strategy you employ? And what if, with a bit of effort and a dash of daring, you could see that hefty sum in your bank account in just 90 days? Intriguing, isn't it? If you're ready to learn, let's dive into these methods. But first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-making content. Method 1 is all about playing the banking game. Now, you might be wondering, what's this game all about? Well, it's a strategy that involves opening new bank accounts or credit cards to earn sign-up bonuses. Yes, you heard it right. Banks and credit card companies often offer enticing sign-up bonuses to attract new customers. These bonuses can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s, simply for opening an account and meeting certain requirements. You might ask, what's the catch? While this method can be a potential gold mine, it does come with its own set of challenges and risks. Firstly, you need to have a good credit score to be eligible for these offers. Secondly, meeting the requirements for earning the bonus often involves making a certain number of transactions or maintaining a minimum balance. So you need to be diligent and make sure you're not spending more than you're earning in bonuses. But what if I told you this method could earn you up to $10,000 in just 3 months? Sounds too good to be true, right? But with careful planning, it's achievable. For instance, if you open multiple accounts and strategically time your transactions, you can maximize your bonuses. However, it's important to remember that this isn't a one-size-fits-all strategy. It requires careful management and thorough research on the best offers available. Also, be mindful of any potential impacts on your credit score due to opening and closing multiple accounts. In the end, the banking game can be likened to a well-played chess match. It requires foresight, strategy, and a willingness to take calculated risks. But when played right, it can lead to substantial rewards. This method requires careful management, but it can be a lucrative way to boost your income. So, are you ready to play the banking game and rack up those bonuses? Our second method involves becoming your own broker. Now, this might sound intimidating at first, but hold on to your seats. With the right tools and a dash of bravery, you can navigate the financial markets just like a Wall Street tycoon. Transferring funds to brokerage accounts and making smart investments is a lucrative way to reach your $10,000 goal. You see, brokerage accounts allow you to buy and sell everything from stocks and bonds to mutual funds and ETFs. And the best part? You're in control. You decide what to invest in, when to buy, and when to sell. How can this method lead to $10,000 in just 3 months, you ask? Let's break it down. Say you start with an investment of $1,000. If you invest wisely and the market is in your favor, you could see a return of 10% or more. That's $100 in potential gain. Now imagine repeating this process, reinvesting your gains and capitalizing on the power of compound interest. Before you know it, you're well on your way to your goal. However, it's crucial to remember that this method isn't without risks. The financial market is unpredictable, and there's always a chance of losing your investment. That's why it's essential to do your research, understand the market trends, and make informed decisions. Consider starting with low-risk investments and gradually moving to higher-risk options as you gain confidence and experience. So take a leap of faith, dive into the world of investments. With knowledge and a little bit of luck, this method can bring significant profits. Real estate is not just for the rich anymore. Now, this may seem like a bold statement, but let's delve into why it's more attainable than you might think. Traditionally, investing in real estate has been a game for the well-heeled. But the advent of crowdfunding platforms has significantly lowered the entry barrier. These platforms pool together funds from multiple investors, allowing individuals to participate in high-value real estate deals with a relatively small investment. Don't have tens of thousands to invest in a property? No problem. With as little as a few $100s, you can own a slice of a commercial property or a residential complex. But how does this translate into $10,000 in 3 months, you may ask? Well, it's all about the return on investment. While it's not guaranteed, some platforms have historically delivered annual returns of 8 to 12%. That means if you invest wisely and spread your risk across various properties, you could potentially see a substantial return in a relatively short time frame. Now, let's move on to another strategy that can help you reach your financial goal: renting out space in your home. Do you have a spare room, a basement, or even a garage that's sitting idle? Why not put it to work? People are always looking for storage space, and your unused square footage could be their solution. Platforms like Neighbor and Store at My House make it easy to connect with potential renters. You set the price, the terms, and voila, you have a source of passive income. These methods require initial effort and a level of risk tolerance. But remember, every investment carries risk. The key is to do your homework, understand the risk involved, and make informed decisions. This method not only makes use of idle assets, but also opens up a new income stream. So why not consider real estate crowdfunding or renting out space? It could be your ticket to that quick $10,000. Now let's talk about turning your skills and unwanted items into cash. Imagine the wealth of knowledge you've amassed over the years. Every skill you've honed, every hobby you've mastered, it all holds value. And it's time we tapped into that gold mine. Teaching your skills privately for cash is an often overlooked yet highly profitable venture. Whether it's cooking, woodworking, knitting, or even coding, there's someone out there eager to learn what you have to offer. You might start by offering one-on-one classes or workshops, then scale up to create online courses or webinars. With the right pricing strategy and marketing efforts, you could be looking at a substantial income stream, potentially leading to that $10,000 mark in just 3 months. Now, let's shift gears and discuss a different kind of gold mine: your unwanted jewelry. We all have pieces that have been gathering dust in our drawers. Instead of letting them sit idle, why not turn them into cash? Auction platforms like Worthy are an excellent place to start. These platforms simplify the selling process, ensuring you get the best price for your pieces. It might be an old engagement ring, a vintage necklace from your grandmother, or even a luxury watch you no longer wear. The point is, there's potential value in every piece. So whether you're teaching your favorite pastime or selling off those long-forgotten jewels, remember, you're not just making money, you're creating opportunities. Opportunities to invest, to grow, to reach that $10,000 goal. This method is all about making money from what you already have and know. So we've covered some interesting methods to make $10,000 in just 90 days. Let's quickly revisit these strategies, shall we? We started with opening new bank accounts or credit cards for sign-up bonuses. A simple and effective method, but remember, it's crucial to manage your finances wisely to avoid any potential pitfalls. Next, we ventured into the world of brokerage accounts and investments. With a solid strategy and a dash of patience, this method can yield significant returns, but it's essential to conduct thorough research and understand the risks involved. We then discussed investing in real estate through crowdfunding platforms and renting out home space for storage. These methods offer the chance to earn passive income, but they also require some initial investment and due diligence. Lastly, we explored teaching your skills privately for cash and selling unwanted jewelry through auction platforms. These methods are great for turning your talents and unused items into a profit, but they also require effort and marketing skills. Each method has its own set of advantages and potential challenges. The key is to choose the one that aligns with your skills, resources, and risk tolerance. And remember, these methods aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They require strategy, effort, and risk management. But with dedication and persistence, $10,000 in 90 days is a more than achievable goal. If you're seeking more ways to become wealthy, watch more videos on our YouTube channel. Remember, the journey to wealth starts with a single step, so why not start today?